On this next example, we're going to be playing the accompaniment in a broken chord style. So if we look here, they give us kind of an example of what that looks like. You can see that this is really still just an F major chord. So one chord, root, third, and fifth, and that has just been broken up, and you're just doing an ascending kind of pattern. So that's what's happening here. So I'm going to go through and we're going to write in the chords. So we'll do a one chord. We'll stay on a one chord this entire measure. This is 9/8 time, which means we basically have 3 beats. So you just play it 3 times like this. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Okay. On the next chord here, they do give us this as a written example. You could do that, but you could also make up your own. So I'm going to suggest that you make up your own. And in this example, I'll give you a 5 chord. Just like your regular cadence that you normally play, because that's what you're used to. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how that works? And then notice how there's a rest here, so we can just rest. No need to play there, since the right hand is acting as a pickup. So the one chord will play here 3 times, 5 chord just to there. And then if you wanted to keep this really easy, you would just stay on a 5 chord, because this works just fine, and go back to the 1 chord right here. So it's just cadence form. And then again, I would rest here. Second line, it's the same as the beginning, so just a 1 chord, then a 5 chord, and again rest. And then same thing here, 5 chord, and then a 1 chord, and then rest. So left hand, let's play it. Here we go. Just cadence position. Here we go. 1, oh, let, 2, 3. Now 5 chord. 1, 2, 3. 5 chord again. 1, 2, 3. Back to the 1 chord. 1, 2, 3. And the second line is exactly the same. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Now let's take a look at the right hand. In this example, we will actually play the melody. This is the one example so far where we're playing the melody. So for the melody, let's figure out some fingerings. We'll start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. C, F, G, A. And then switch the third finger on the A. So notice you're playing the A again, but you're going to switch the third finger so that we can go to fifth finger on the C and then second finger on the G. Let's try the first phrase, right hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then switch to 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switches 3. 5, 5, 2. Like that. And then we continue. This is a C major triad that comes up next. So 1, 2, 3, 5. We'll use our regular arpeggio fingering, since it is a C major arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. Then a B flat, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try that part. Here we go. Ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5, then walk down. Pentachord. 4, 3, 2, 1. And so literally that is just the F major pentachord, or pentascale. Okay? And then the next part is exactly the same as the beginning. Nothing changes. So you don't even have to look at this last line. It's the same thing twice. Okay? So now that you have that, we can do this very slowly, hands together. Left hand is going to be in F major position. Right hand starts on C. Here we go, very slowly. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3. 2. Go to third finger. Then to second finger, 5 chord. C major arpeggio, right hand. Still the 5 chord in the left hand. Now just a descending pentascale. Back to the 1 chord. And that's all it is. Okay? So it might take you a few repetitions to get that into your fingers because the hands are playing different material, but it shouldn't take you too long. Feel free to strengthen the hands alone before putting together.